morning, guys. Today is August 16th, 2022, and I am officially going off to college for the actual thing. So it's 3:20 in the morning. I don't know how I'm awake right now. Last night I said goodbye to my boyfriend. That was probably one of the hardest goodbyes. Yeah, I don't know. This is just such a weird feeling. Tonight I'm gonna be sleeping alone for the first time, so I thought I would document it because, you know, this is like a pretty monumental experience. I'm gonna be alone. I already have my outfit picked out for the airport, so I'm gonna throw this on really quick. This is today's fit. My new Lululemon leggings. I'm obsessed. These are the Groove flare pants. They've got like that little cute bell bottom on the bottom, story workout top, my diamond cross necklace. Yeah, I just put my hair in a little claw clip. I'm going to put in my contacts and then brush my teeth. I just got to my house. Shout out Aunt Angie for picking me up. Best godparent ever. I already unpacked my little suitcase downstairs, but I've got my big one that I still need to unpack. Fun fact, I literally paid $75 extra just to carry this because it was 4 pounds overweight and I couldn't even open it. So I was like, dang it. So I just did the $75. Really sad because what a waste of money. Anyways, we made it, we're here, that's all that matters. And I'm literally so excited because first off, look at what's new. New dining table, new dining chairs, new coffee table, new side coffee table, new chair, which goes right there. IKEA set, which I showed in, I think, episode 9, my new lamp, and then obviously this bookshelf, which I'm going to put in my bedroom eventually. I've also got a bunch of packages that I'm gonna open, but first I'm gonna run to my mailbox really quick and check the mail. It's so weird being back in my car, but it smells really good. Oh, this is so crazy. I missed it so much. If you are the dad who is being so freaking rude and abusive to his son, I hope that you find God, because I literally started crying on the plane and how terrible you were to your kids. So I hope that you have a better day, because that was just really disgusting to see. Let's see. Time for an unboxing. This was all the mail that I missed while I was gone. Definitely gonna have to go through that and pay some bills, because yeah, that's what we're doing now. Typically whenever I'm gone for long periods of time, some PR boxes or some things that I've ordered just accumulate, and so I just thought it would be fun to kind of do a quick little unboxing of what I got. First, we've got a package from August Company. All restocked on my feminine products. The next package is from Mario Badescu. They always send the best PR stuff. I cannot wait to see what they sent. Ooh. This is the new mineral sunscreen with SPF 30. I cannot wait to try this out. I'm always looking for good sunscreens. Next is a package from Amazon. I ordered this like last night while I was still in Texas, so I'm actually surprised that it came this fast. But I just got a new laptop case. Basically, my other one was very beat up. I've had that one for like 4 years. So I just got a sleek black one. Next is a package from Wayfair. I got a white comforter, and then I also got this really cute sheet set, but I don't think I'm gonna open it yet because this will be for like winter time. So get ready for Christmas because I'm gonna be redoing my room and I already got stuff ahead of time. Then we've got another package from Wayfair. Wait, I'm obsessed. I love dainty sheet sets, so I got this cute one with white and blue flowers. And then next package is from Arbonne. You guys know I'm obsessed with Arbonne. Could not get enough of their stuff. Oh. It is. I got the chocolate flavor pea protein shake. I've been making this for literally like 2 years now. I drink it all the time, so Arbonne should definitely sponsor me. I'm Mel's biggest fan. I got 2 of those. Now I'm gonna go through the mail, and then I need to run some errands and get some stuff for the week because I don't have any groceries right now. So I'm gonna go break down all the boxes, put them in the recycle, and then we will go to the grocery store. my goodness gracious, it is so hot outside. Groceries are all done for today. I just got all the basics fruit-wise and like milk and eggs and all that. I am going to go back home. I've got so much to do, so much to hang up and unpack still. I'm gonna give you guys a quick grocery haul. I already put the eggs inside of the fridge. I've got this little container, so I just emptied them out and put them in there. As you can see, I definitely have some stuff in the fridge already. So this is all I got. It was $70 in total, which I think is pretty good for all of this. All I have to get is the meat and salmon, because I'm gonna make food, obviously, because I need protein and stuff. I got some oat milk. This is my favorite brand. This is my favorite creamer. It's brown sugar flavored. I make this with my matcha and my chai. It is literally the best. Then I got some chia seeds. I'm gonna start making some chia seed pudding for breakfast. I got this leave-in conditioner sort of hair mask deal. 2 different peaches. One is a white peach, one is a yellow peach. A cucumber. I love cucumber so much. Coconut milk yogurt. This is really good for yogurt bowls. Mixed vegetables. There's carrots, green beans, corn. This is great because it's frozen, so I can just quickly heat this up and it'll be nice and healthy. Raspberries. Love raspberries. Strawberries. Some romaine lettuce. Baby bella mushrooms, and some green onions. So I'm gonna put this all in the fridge, and then I have a lot to do. As you can see, my bills are over there. All my feminine products are on the ground.
Yeah, like not late at all.
How are you going to bed that late? That's what I wanna know.
Dude, I don't know. But then, so then the next morning, Saturday.
Okay.
So I like woke everybody up and I was like, no, we have to go because, so we got up and one other guy.
Gosh.
I was just like chilling there.
Yeah.
You have 7.
Wishing that I have to pay there. Okay. Okay, I love you. Bye. I'm back and I'm drinking my matcha. Good morning. It's very bright right now. I'm gonna sit down right here and enjoy my matcha. I can't believe I'm here. Oh my gosh. Today's the 17th of August. I start school in 5 days. Last night was my first night sleeping here in the house alone. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little paranoid at first. My Wi-Fi just randomly stopped working. Yesterday I was on the phone with the Wi-Fi people for like 2.5 hours, which has been really stressful because I can't do any work. When school comes, like I need it to be there. Yeah, so anyways, I got it all figured out. Somebody's gonna come the 18th, like a Wi-Fi technician, and try to fix that because they couldn't even figure out what was going on either through the phone. But I was just off the phone with my mom. She's called me like 6 times since I've been here. She's so funny. She told me that she wasn't gonna cry and that she was excited to be empty nesters. And then the second that I leave, she posts this thing on Facebook and Instagram and she's like, this was so hard. But I knew she was gonna cry and get emotional. Yeah, it's a weird feeling living alone. I can't describe it. It would still be weird if I lived downtown Austin in an apartment and my parents were, you know, like 30 minutes away from me, but I am literally so far away, like thousands of miles. I don't know. I thought I would feel lonely, but it's actually been really, really nice and peaceful. And I'm just excited. Like, I'm obsessed, you guys. Like, it just feels so cozy and peaceful here, and I just am so excited for my couch to come when it does, and my bed as well. Oh, yesterday, I don't know if I said this, but I went to my godparents' house for dinner. My Aunt Angie made this amazing zucchini lasagna. For dessert, she made chocolate pudding in like a little wine glass sort of deal. And then my Uncle Roger put whipped cream on top, and it was amazing. So always a treat catching up with them. Y'all, I just put on the cutest outfit. Let's get a little OOTD in here. Top is from Urban Outfitters. I got this a long time ago. I think I wore it during my sophomore year. I got like a photo shoot done for getting my braces off, and I wore this and I forgot that I had it, but how cute is it? It's like a little wrap top. And then shorts are also from Urban Outfitters. They're BDG, favorite brand. And necklace, diamond necklace from Bawai. And my bracelets, I've got a charm bracelet from Drew, which is this one. He's gonna fill it out with charms every time we celebrate a new month or a year. And then my mom got me a charm bracelet when I was younger, right under it. So, feeling very stylish today. I'm about to leave the house to go run some errands, but there's gonna be a couple people coming in to fix a lot of the things in the house. So if you've noticed, there's blue tape everywhere. My front door doesn't work either, which has been a whole thing. That needs to be fixed. But yeah, I'm going to get some stuff for back to school, so you'll see me get some school supplies. And then also I need to go to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. And then maybe I'll go downtown or something. I'm so excited! Love Island's new episode was absolutely crazy. I'm like very invested in that show. So good. Oh crap, I forgot my water. Cannot forget my water bottle. Dang it, okay, I just went to Target and everything is so picked over. There's nothing left. This song is good. Walmart. Hello. I'm so glad that I ended up going to Walmart because I got so many things. I'll do a haul for you guys when I get home though, because I need to go to Trader Joe's, get some food. All right, I just got to Whole Foods and we're gonna go get some deli and meat. Whole Foods was a success. I put all of my groceries down there. Now the last errand is Trader Joe's. Save the best for last. I definitely know that I wanna get some flowers. First off, running errands is exhausting, but I can't wait to give you guys a haul of what I got when I get home. Back at home, that was a very successful errand day. Shall we do a haul? Trader Joe's. I got some flowers, white roses in particular, wheat and corn flour tortillas, a bunch of bananas, 72% cacao, dark chocolate chips. From Whole Foods, I got original hummus, fair trade cacao powder, ground beef, carrot chips, 1 Atlantic salmon fillet, 1 chicken breast. Very successful Whole Foods haul from Walmart. A couple of things for school. My mom already did all my back to school shopping when she was here, but she didn't get notebooks, all that stuff, so I got that. A 5 subject notebook. This is gonna cover all 5 of my subjects. My plan is to just use this for 1 semester because I know that this isn't gonna last me. If I was back in high school, I would definitely need more than this. 150 sheets of college ruled paper, 80 sheets of graph paper, 5 different binders because I'm taking 5 different subjects, and so they just look like this. By the way, Walmart literally was the best place to go back to school shopping. 1, they had the most options. It wasn't picked over like everything else. Like Target was so picked over. And then last I got these little file folders for the office. These are really cute. On Friday, there's this thing called Bronco Night at Boise State University. Fun, eventful night. And a fan that watches my videos, I met her last time I was here when I was originally moving all my stuff in. I went to the place where she works and she recognized me. And yeah, she invited me to go with her. So I think I'm gonna text her right now and say yes, because I don't know anybody here, so it was super sweet that she even offered. But yeah, I need to put all this away before all the food gets cold and stuff, and I can't wait to put my flowers in a vase. Oh my god, I'm obsessed! I changed into a sweatshirt because I just love being comfy. I don't know, is that overrated? But I just made some lunch. I'm having fig and olive crackers and I made a little tuna bowl. So I put a can of tuna in here, chopped up some green onions, added some cucumbers. I would add pickles instead of cucumbers, but I didn't have any, so I added that to my grocery list for next time. And then I put in some seasoning and like salt and pepper. I'm gonna dip this in there. And then I'm so excited for dinner tonight. I can't decide if I'm gonna make salmon, chicken, or hamburgers or tacos. Every time I go to the grocery store, I always forget things, either right as I'm walking out or while I'm at home. I'm like, dang it, I should have gotten that. Like I didn't even think to get like deli meat and cheese and, oh shoot. And bread and stuff like that. Oh, I also forgot I add mayonnaise into this. Mayonnaise makes tuna so much better, but pickles is actually the best thing for it. That's so good. Oh no, my camera's done.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. intertwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going